Good evening. Welcome to the Garden Bistro. How many will be dining tonight?
Just two of us, please.
Right this way. Here's your table. Would you like to sit by the window or closer to the center?
By the window would be great, thank you.
Perfect choice. Here are your menus. Can I get you started with something to drink?
Yes, I'll have a glass of water with lemon, please.
And I'll take an iced coffee, no sugar.
Got it. I'll be right back with your drinks. Take your time looking over the menu.
Wow, everything looks so good. What are you thinking about getting?
The hamburger sounds tempting. I haven't had a really good one in a while.
That does sound good, but I think I'll get the spaghetti. I'm craving something warm and comforting.
Oh yeah, pasta always hits the spot.
Here we go. Water with lemon for you and iced coffee for you. Are you ready to order?
I think so. I'll have the spaghetti with tomato basil sauce, please.
And I'll go with the hamburger, medium well, with fries on the side, please.
Excellent choices. Would you like to start with any appetizers? Our garlic bread and house salad are very popular.
Let's do the garlic bread. It'll go perfectly with the pasta.
Sounds great. Let's share that.
Perfect. I'll bring that right out.
I like this place. It feels cozy, but not too formal.
Yeah, it's perfect for a relaxed dinner. And the staff seem really friendly.
Totally agree. Oh, and it smells amazing in here, like fresh bread and herbs.
That's always a good sign. I love when you can smell the food before you even order.
Here's your garlic bread, fresh from the oven. It's made with roasted garlic and parsley butter. Enjoy.
Thank you, that looks amazing.
It smells incredible. Let's dig in.
This is so good. The bread is crispy on the outside and soft on the inside.
Yeah, and that garlic butter, wow, this might be the best I've had in a while.
We're definitely coming back here again.
How's the appetizer so far?
Delicious. Thank you for recommending it.
I'm glad you like it. Your main dishes will be ready shortly.
Perfect, thanks.
I like that the waiter checks in, but not too much. Some places interrupt you every few minutes.
Exactly, there's a balance. Attentive but not hovering.
Here we are. Spaghetti with tomato basil sauce for you and hamburger with fries for you. Enjoy your meal.
Wow, that looks perfect. Thank you.
This smells amazing. You can tell everything's freshly made.
My pasta looks so comforting. The sauce smells like it's been simmering all day.
And this burger, and just look at it. Toasted bun, melted cheese, and crispy fries.
Want to try a bite of mine?
Only if you try some of this burger.
Deal. Okay, that burger is incredible. Juicy and full of flavor.
And your spaghetti?
So good. The sauce tastes homemade. The basil gives it such a nice touch.
Everything's cooked just right. These fries are crispy too.
I can tell they use good ingredients. You can taste the difference.
How's everything tasting?
Everything's wonderful, thank you.
Yeah, compliments to the chef.
I'll be sure to tell him. Would you like to see our dessert menu when you're finished?
Yes, please, we'll take a look.
Here you go. Our chocolate lava cake and cheesecake are the favorites tonight.
Chocolate lava cake sounds tempting.
It does. Let's share one.
Excellent choice. I'll bring that right out.
I always enjoy dinners like this. It's a great way to unwind after a long week.
Totally. It's nice to just talk face to face and not stare at our phones for once.
Yeah, it feels like a real break.
Here's your chocolate lava cake. Be careful. It's warm.
Oh wow, that looks heavenly. Thank you.
You weren't kidding. It smells so good.
Oh my goodness, that's amazing. The outside is soft and the inside is gooey.
Best part of the meal, hands down.
I'm glad you like it. Would you like the check now, or would you like to relax for a bit?
We'll take the check, please.
Of course, I'll be right back.
Should we split it again?
Yeah, that's fine. Totally worth it, though.
Here's your check. You can pay at the table whenever you're ready.
Thank you.
My pleasure. Have a great evening, both of you.
You too. Everything was wonderful.
Yeah, great service. Thanks again.
Thank you. Hope to see you again soon.